I'm excited that Chad's excited to go out skunk ape hunting with me.
All right, sir.
As we bounce along in Dave's swamp buggy, I'm trying to keep an open mind here. I mean, look, last year, scientists discovered 71 new species on our planet. Why not find another one right here, right now?
This is a track that
my
was
gosh.
cast just 60 days ago, maybe just right over here, maybe 100 yards away. This is a smaller track than what I normally find. It's a little smaller, but this is what they look like. There's no other animal in the Everglades that's listed known species that makes a track like that, and I find these tracks annually.
Wow. I mean, it's hard to refute this, Dave. I came out here thinking skunk ape was kind of a silly myth.
But a lot of people do.
I don't know, man. It's hard to refute a footprint, though. All that kind of does look like my footprint.
Except for it's missing a toe.
Well, except for that. You're right.
Maybe.
You're right. Well, thank you so much for sharing this. I can tell this is something that you are incredibly passionate about.
Very much so.
And like you said, regardless of if we'll ever see a skunk ape or not, the experiences that you have been able to have, the connection to nature that you've formed through this quest has been worth the ride, right?
Dave even has what he says is proof on film. Dave captured perhaps the most famous skunk ape footage ever while on a hunting trip in the year 2000.
Tell us what happened that day that you had that sighting.
Well, I had come out to help some hunters out, look for deer, and do a little skunk ape hunting while I was doing it. A deer flushed out of a hammock out on the marsh, and I saw it take off, and then I heard more noise, and when I looked back, I saw a skunk ape. I wasn't totally surprised. Well, I got the camera, I zoomed in on it, and for like 7 minutes, just the most incredible footage ever.
Okay, so now you've got me a little freaked out. I'm spending the night out here tonight on one of these chickies. Like, should I be concerned?
There's never been a known attack on a skunk ape of anybody.
Oh, gosh. So the sound, you said they make that sound. Is that something? Okay.
Generally 3 times, 3 loud blasts.
So give me that one more time.
Wah, wah, wah. And you may hear an answer if there's another one around. So you may hear that twice, once here and once in another area.
But you don't recommend me answering that, right? Because that might be a mating call. I might throw out the wrong call, throw out a mating call. I don't know these calls, you know?
Yeah, I would advise not to call back.
Okay.
You don't want to disrupt the balance.
Someone write that down.
Myth or truth? And who's to say if a slightly hairy, somewhat smelly creature wanders this wilderness?